Can't get around. Now she's getting out. Angel's getting out to either she's scared or to take pictures.
Yes.
What?
Yankees are winning. It's 2-0.
Oh, look at that front end. He's getting crossed up. Whoa, god dang. Look at that front end, Colby. You can see the front axle. Ooh, boom.
Whoa. God, I can't believe how good that thing is working.
I don't look at it.
I mean, that thing must have all the right crap in it.
It does.
And it's a leaf spring.
Yeah, coil front, leaf rear. That front end's working good on that. Let's see if Chris comes down. Looking good.
What's that noise?
I don't know what the
Tire hitting the fender?
I think it was the tire. It doesn't even feel like it's crossed up, but it was.
Oh, shit. He got wheels way off the ground.
Yeah, he did there.
Did the Cherokee go through here?
I don't think so. He could easily make it through this. This is nothing.